So I think I'll call this the Frugal Gardener's 2-minute tip. About a month ago, I went to the grocery store. I went to the produce aisle and I brought collard greens. Took them home, stripped them, cooked them, ate them. This is that same plant. What I did was I kept the stems and I just took off the leaves that I wanted to eat, and I replanted it, and this is how it looks about a month later. So basically what I'm telling you is you can regrow your own food from the food you bought from the supermarket. So that's your 2-minute tip. Actually, it didn't take 2 minutes. It took me about a minute. Catch you in the next video.